Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing of sorts for you. There's some glasses. I need new glasses. I have these glasses which are like this. However, I had my eyes tested like 3 years ago, and I realised recently that I was getting really bad headaches, and I thought maybe I needed my eyes tested again. So I went, and my prescription has changed quite a lot, so I need new glasses. But obviously we were in the middle of a pandemic. I had this tested like 3 days before we went into isolation, so I can't go to Specsavers or Boots or anywhere to look at glasses. And then I saw a girl on my Instagram, Andrea, who is Mama Shine, that she got some glasses from Glasses Direct. So I kind of went on and had a look, and you get like a free home trial, like anyone can do it. So I picked 4 pairs. I haven't even opened them yet. And these obviously don't have my prescription in them. They're just the frames. And then if you like them, like, you send them all back, and if you like them, you then order the ones that you want, and they do them with your lenses. So we're gonna see what it's like. So I ordered these, I can't remember when, I'll put it on the screen when I ordered them. Today is the 24th of April and they arrived yesterday. So I'll put on the screen how long it took to come. They come like this. And it says, could these be your new glasses? Let's see, I'm excited. You can't get all of them on a free home trial, but there are like certain styles, and there is a lot of certain styles that you can have for the free home trial. And then they send you a return address label, so you literally just put it back in the post box when you're done. You normally have to do it within 7 days, but because of the current situation, they are making that a little bit longer. So right, let's have a look. I'm just gonna pull them out one by one. Oh, I already hate these. I didn't realise they had flowers on them. So the first pair, I will put the names. Oh, these are Beth. I'll put how much they cost, because they seem to be quite cheap. I'll put how much they are on the screen, because I can't remember off the top of my head. These are the first ones. They're okay from the front, but they've got flowers on from the side, and my glasses now have little diamonds on the side, which I absolutely hate, but they're the only ones that I like in the shape. So I like the shape of them as well. I just don't like the horrible flowers down the side. They are hideous. So Beth is a no. They also feel a bit wider than mine. Are they wider than mine? Let's see. Yeah, they're a little bit wider than mine and a little bit bigger. I think you can get like buy one get one free on these as well, or like buy 1 pair and then get a second pair cheaper, or buy 2 pairs for a certain amount. There's lots of different offers on. And I need sunglasses, because currently I just wear my normal sunglasses over these, which is not ideal. And Ben calls me 6 eyes. So yeah, I don't like, they're a no. They're a hard pass on them. No. They're Jules Beth. So Jules as, or Jewel as in the brand. The next ones, these look really tiny. These are Tokyo Tom. Let's have a look at these. These look teeny weeny. I don't hate them. I'm not sure. Let's see. So that's my current ones. And then these ones. Yeah, I quite like them. They're quite nice. Tokyo Tom, and they're black, or they're very dark blue. And they've got the red little detailing on. So yeah, I quite like them. They're a possibility. I'll have to get Ben to come in a minute and show it and see what he thinks. The next ones are London Retro Max. All these ones are metal. So just black again, and then they've got like a metal bit here. Not as keen on them. No, I don't know. They're a different shape to these ones. Look, I see mine are more like rounded than them. I don't like these ones. No. I don't like them at all. And I don't like the metal on the sides either. I don't know how many home trials you can do, like whether you can do like multiple. You do one, send them back, and then pick some different ones if you still haven't found the ones you like. I assume you can do that. I don't know. So that's them ones. And then the last pair, these are London Retro Highgate, and they are clear. They're completely clear frames. And I just got these because I was intrigued. See, they're just clear frames. I don't know how I feel about them. I quite like them, to be honest. What do we think? What do we think? I don't know. Should I get Ben to come in and see? Bender! Two I need your opinion on.
Yeah.
What do you think of them?
Yeah.
Yeah? They're quite similar to these, look.
They're quite similar to them.
Quite similar to them.
Quite similar to these.
Yeah, Ben's got another. Yours are rectangle, they're square. These are far it's far too thin for my face. My face is they're disgusting. And then the next.
Seen your glasses? Let's have a look. Shall we compare?
Mine are cleaner than yours.
It's the first time they've ever been cleaned.
And then these ones.
No.
You don't like them?
First ones.
I like these ones.
Whatever. Nerd.
What do you think? He's got glasses as well. He's just a nod. What do you think? I like these. I'd be tempted to get these and these. I kind of feel like I'm a bit like I'm going into space with these ones. Let me know what you think. The other two are just completely discounted, so it's either Highgate or Tokyo or both. I don't know, but I will put on the screen how much all of them are, and if I can find links for everything I will link them as well. But yeah, I just thought this was something interesting. I like watching videos like this, so yeah. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more weird stuff and fun stuff to come. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. I hope you're all keeping safe and healthy. Take care, bye guys.